Hi, I'm Dr. Krista Lamoth, and you are?
I am Heidi Herzog, the esthetician and acupuncturist, and we specialize in skincare.
That's right. In this time of the year with the spring, we start to get a lot of environmental allergens, and those will affect us in, the classic kind of like runny nose, itchy eyes, and all of that, but it also affects our skin. So environmental allergens can actually result in different types of rashes and skin irritations. And one thing I want to say, Heidi's going to take the floor in a second and tell us about her routine, her personal experiences. But I want to put a word of caution out there about tea tree oil. I did a more lengthy video about this, and I should bring that back and run that around again because tea tree oil is kind of like one of the most recommended things for all types of problems, but particularly skin problems. I use it very little really, but you don't want to put straight tea tree oil or very concentrated tea tree oil, or really, I would say anything with tea tree oil on a already inflamed skin condition, because it can make it 10 times worse.
And that includes acne. That includes acne.
Yeah, acne, it can certain types of acne, it might be appropriate, but it's something you'd really want to get an opinion of, because it can, straight tea tree oil 100%, make things that are inflamed even worse. There are other gentle products you can use, and Heidi's going to talk to us about some of her experiences.
I have a lot of problems with my eyes this time of year. I do a little walking outside. The cherry blossoms and everything really seem to irritate my eye area, and it was recommended to me a product with tea tree oil in it, and I tried it because you're desperate, you do it, and it just inflamed it, made my skin worse. It just really irritated it. So what I do now instead of that eye wash is that when my conditioner's on my hair, and I'm waiting the 2 minutes or whatever, I use a warm washcloth and I just gently put it on my eyes. It's like a mini compress, just gently, little pressure with the warm washcloth.
Because you get the sticky, goopy stuff around the eyes, right?
I do. It's not attractive. Yeah. And so then I grab my corrective facial cleanser. And I just, as I'm washing my face, I'll just gently wash around my eye area. And then I just leave it on there for about 30 seconds. And then I take my washcloth and then gently wash it off.
Yeah. And if your skin is already inflamed, your eyes are affected. But if your skin is already inflamed, you don't even need to wash it off with a washcloth. Even just straight water would be fine.
Yeah, just straight water.
Yeah, so there's less friction on the skin.
I just like the feel of the washcloth. And I always kind of do the warm washcloth too on my neck, because you want to get the lymph nodes, everything's draining and going. It just helps you feel better. And then I don't get any irritation from the Mother of All serums, and that's been one of the best things for me this time of year.
Yeah, and then with this product, by the way, because we've talked about this before, one thing I didn't get in is that you want to shake this product. It's natural settling will occur. You're not going to hurt it, so every time before you use it, shake it up. Little goes a long ways.
Yeah.
A really tiny amount. It's very concentrated. So how do you use this product? What do you use it on, and how do you do it?
I use it around my eye area. I use, my whole entire face and neck. And sometimes I'll go a little bit in the décolleté area with this product as I do the cleanser. And and I use the cleanser too on my back, because sometimes if I've worn a sports bra and everything, my follicles get clogged up.
Oh yeah, that's a popular area for clogging of pores.
Really helps.
And I have I use it myself, and I also have clients too that use this product even on the backs of the hands too. You can really use it anywhere where you want brightening, you want hydration, and you want regeneration.